So guys, any website is called PHP HTML website. How to download the total files and the database using for Plesk panel option. Suppose what are the procedure we can given by the to download the complete website files. So I'm selecting on website here. In this website, how to download using for Plesk panel. First, we can log in Plesk panel here. In this Plesk panel, selecting for domain option, we have a lot of domains are there. In this, select the particular one domain option. So select the domain. The download procedure compared with the cPanel, Plesk panel, lot of difference are there. Lot of difference are there. So in this one, selecting for file manager option. In the cPanel, go to file manager, public underscore HTML. Here nothing public underscore HTML will be not there for Plesk panel. Select the file. So which is your domain name? Select it and selecting for add archive option. Add your file. Today date you can mention by here and click for OK. The download process will be start. There is called compress. There is called archive. This is completely different. cPanel call is the compress. Plesk panel call is the archive. The every file will be downloaded the same process for zip or RAR format. So in this one, where our file will be there, select the date wise. After that, go to last option. Now click for download. But in the cPanel, when right click and download the option, complete different by cPanel and the Plesk panel, data will be downloaded on the particular website. It's a completely different procedure. Go for its domain. In this, selecting for same website, where is the our SQL database? So that also very important. So you can check it out. Where is our here? So this all will be complete. Your option will be there. Web hosting, login, FTP, host option, application. Here will be there. PHP setting. We can check for every option will be there. Go to PHP setting here. What are the changes are here? So every database will be there in the particular option will be called here. Just I'm open the file. Now go back. Here we'll be selecting for database. In the right of the corner, database will be there. Here we'll be selecting for PHP MyAdmin. When you come into the PHP MyAdmin option, in this, our database will be there. Here we'll be selecting your option. Here that option will be called export. Click for export. You're selecting for quick file and click for download. The simple one. In this complete cPanel, go to PHP admin, go to MySQL, can download the option will be there. But here in this, we can go to option will be database, where it is called domain, right side corner, they call database will be there. Open the database, download the file. After that, close it. So this is the format we can follow the download the website using Plesk panel. And Plesk panel login will be after.com:8443. In a cPanel after.com/cpanel, or we can using for particular IP address depend on the hosting. So this is way we can downloading for website complete files using Plesk panel option.